Good morning, students. Today we will continue with PS9. We had done sums of question number 1. Now we will continue with question number 2. So the question says, write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. What does that mean? They mean write 3 divisions. This is first one. So division in which the fractional form should be giving you 24 upon 5. Now this we will write it in a fractional form, minus 72 upon minus 15. We have learnt all the rules, so now we need to apply. Minus minus will cancel, or you can say nullify. So it's equal to 72 upon 15. Now we can cancel them. How do we cancel 72 upon 15? 3 is table. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 carried here, 3 4s are 12. So what is the answer? Yes, 24 upon 5, and this is what is required. So fractional form minus 72 upon minus 15 gives us 24 upon 5. Second example or second sum, 120 divided by 25. You can take any number, but it should give you 24 upon 5 as your answer. So 120 divided by 25. We'll use a table of 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 2 carried here. 5 4s are 20. So that gives us again 24 upon 5, and this is what is required. Then the next example, minus 480 divided by minus 100. So minus 480 upon minus 100. So you can just get rid of the signs, negative signs, and write it as 480 divided by 100. So we can cancel the zeros. So we get 48 upon 10. Use the table of 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. So what's the answer? 24 upon 5. This is what all is required. So please understand once more. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. So we have picked up minus 72 divided by minus 15. So it gives you answer in positive 24 upon 5. 120 divided by 25. Both positive integers we have taken. So naturally it will give us in 24 upon 5. Again here both negative. I cannot take one positive, one negative, because it will give me answer in negative. And we don't want negative. We want 24 upon 5. So minus 480 upon minus 100, minus minus sign cancels. 480 upon 100, 0 0 cancel. 48 upon 10, use a table of 2, and we get 24 upon 5. Now we go for the third. Now the third question. Third question, same question, only that they want each will be minus 5.7. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be minus 5 upon 7. So we have written divisions. Now fractional form, minus 45 upon 63. Remember, they want minus 5 upon 7. So here one of the integer has to be negative. Minus 45 divided by 63. Come on, which table? Right, 9's table. 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63, which is equal to minus 5 upon 7, and this is what is required. Second one, 65 divided by minus 91. So we write it in this form, 65 upon minus 91. Immediately minus 65 upon 91. Remember the rules. We cannot keep any integer with denominator in the negative sign. Okay, because this is going to give us negative sign in the numerator in the answer. 65 upon 91. Now how do we know 65 and 91? Which table? You can use the HCF method or prime factor method. So here 65, if at all you don't know the table. 65. So which table can go for 65? You can use 5's table. 5 ones are 5, 1 carried, 5 threes are 15, 13 ones are 13. That means 13 fives are gives you 65. And 91, it's a prime number. Check it out. Which other number it could go for? 7 ones are 7. 2 carried here, 7 threes are 21. So 13 ones are. Okay. 7 into 13 gives me 91. So here I will be using my table. 13 fives are, 13 sevens are. So it gives me minus 5 upon 7. Look at it. Minus 65 upon 91. I showed you how to find it out. Prime factor method. So 13 fives are gives me 65. And 13 sevens are gives me 91. So here it is. After cancellation, we get answer minus 5 upon 7. This is what is required. Third and the last sum for today, minus 145 divided by 203. Write it in the fractional form upon 203. Same way we can use prime factor method. 145. So which table? Check it out. Which table will go in that? 5 you can check out. 5 threes are 15. 1 carried. 5. Okay. 5 twos are 10. 4 carried. 5 twos are 10. 4 carried. 5 nines are 45. 29 being prime number. 29 ones are 29. Okay, so we got 29 fives are 145. Now we'll check out for 203. 203. So which table can go in this? 3, no. 3 6 are 18, 19, 20, 23, no. Then we'll go for 7's table. 7 3s are 21. So 7 2s are 14. This is 0. 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14, 6. 6 carried for 6 about 3 gives us 63. So 7 9s are 63. 29 ones are 29. So 29 5s are gives us 145 and 29 7s are gives us 203. So we can use that table here. So it is 29 5s are and 29 7s are. So answer will be minus 5 upon 7. Hope you have understood these sums, children. Keep practicing, and I want you all to practice these sums 2 times each in your notebook. So also the other sums which are not solved, like I just solved 2 sums, 3 sums. When there are many sums, so you need to solve in your notebook all the sums. You have to solve all the sums and keep it ready. So whenever our school reopens, we will be asking for it. So keep your book ready, intact. Whatever portion is being completed so far needs to be ready in your notebook or wherever you are filing it up. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.